Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlock Pool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of two interesting items. One is the top of the line Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9500 toothbrush, and the other one is the water toothpick floss thing, AirFloss Ultra they call it, and they are in matching black color. This is the ultimate combination that you can get from Philips. Unfortunately, they don't come in a package together. You have to buy them separately. This is a 300 euro toothbrush, and this is about 90 euro AirFloss Ultra system. All right, so let's get to it. Let's open these boxes. So we're welcomed by some nice paperwork. There's a little pulley over here. There's some more paperwork at the bottom. Let's go through that very quickly. It's a really thick booklet with some basic instructions. There's some welcome package where you can unlock an extra year of warranty, which comes in handy. Also, if you register this toothbrush, you're going to get a 90-day money return guarantee. So at the top, whoopsie, it comes like this. So first of all, you get these 4 special brushes. They are all a little different. Each is supposed to have a special function of its own. Let's open them first. All right, this one is the Philips Sonicare G3. You can see that there is this little logo. So this is a special NFC system that Philips uses, that when you plug this toothbrush on the body itself, it automatically detects what kind of toothbrush you're having, and it's going to pre-select the correct program for you to use. So that comes very, very handy. Second one is the W3. Next one is the T1. This is for the tongue. And lastly, the C3. I think they're like W comes for whitening, G I think is for gum, and this one is C, I think that, I don't know, that's like special care or whatever. Yeah, so 4 brushes. They're not super cheap, these brushes on their own. So it's nice that you get a selection of these to test before you actually decide to buy a whole pack. This is the body itself. It's quite beautiful. Here it tells us, important before first use, fully charge the handle. May take at least 24 hours to fully charge. Charging indicator lights may take up to 15 minutes to indicate the product is charging. Okay, so unfortunately, before the first use, you have to charge this. It also says it's not compatible with previous DiamondClean charging accessories, which may suck a little bit. Continuing on, you get this glass where you actually place the body like this. Kind of cute. Continuing on, this is a little charging puck, and I'll show you how it actually charges. So you place the puck like this, the glass comes on top, fits perfectly, and then you just place the brush into it and it charges any direction you put it. So really, really nice and clean setup. And lastly, this is the travel case. It has a very nice texture. I would say like fake leather almost, but of course it's just plastic. And this is what it looks on the inside. So you place the body like this, and you put your favorite heads inside like this. Close it up, and it charges via a USB cable at the bottom. So it's kind of perfect because you can charge it off of any phone charger that you may have very easily. Yeah, this little plastic comes off. So just a very normal, typical charger, and you just wind the cable from the bottom like this. This is actually a smart toothbrush. What that means is that the toothbrush is Bluetooth compatible, and there's an application that will track how well you brush your teeth. All right, so that's it for the toothbrush. Now moving on to the water floss toothpick thing. All right, at the base, again, we have a lot of paperwork in different kinds of languages. We have another charging cradle. Let's take this plastic off. All right, like this. Actually, let me compare the lengths of these cables to see how long they are. So I would say this is probably about 1 meter long. So it's not too long. This is, yeah, fairly reasonably heavy. So it shouldn't fly off of the table. And this is the toothpick itself. It comes with 2 heads. Let me open these as well. Each with a slightly different color. I assume they're the same, but maybe if you have like 2 people who want to use the same body, but just want to, you know, have their own head, because this is essentially the part that comes into your mouth. So you plug it in like this, nice and easy. And here comes the water, or your favorite kind of, and I guess you just press it, and as you press it, it ejects a slight of spray of whatever liquid you put inside. And this is how it's placed on the charging cradle. All right, just to take a look at the length of the cable attached to this puck. And again, I think it's about 1 meter long, so not too long at all. All right, guys, so this has been an unboxing of the top of the line Sonicare products, the best in class toothbrush and their water floss system. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.